TRUG Stock Analysis and Price Predictions. Is it a buy? Watch this short and brief 1-minute video till the end to find out. I am the only person in this freaking space with 40,000 videos made, so I've seen what's making me money and what is not. With Trugolf Holdings, all I can tell you is that 23 cents, it's a decent price level. All of my drawings are right here. You can see, like, I've recently just gotten 3 short side predictions. All of them were correct. Let me show you the proof. Okay, let's start with this one. This was 3 months ago in February, 20th of February when I made this prediction. And you can see since then we have delivered. Now let me show you the proof. Let's pull down here. This is this one, right? That has delivered as well. And now the most recent one is in this video, which was made just a month ago. Sad part is only got 32 views, and this is what I said. Right, then I'm looking to take it down. Guess where we are now. It went from 35 cents down to 23. As like the lowest point was like 18. So I really don't doubt that this is gonna keep melting. But for me to really double down, I will only need to see some sort of a double break. But other than that, like me randomly selling, it's not gonna be happening. So I will continue to keep you updated. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month with eye indicators, click the first link in the description and get my free